Welcome to Prism, where you can explore the infinite possibilities of space. We don't just adapt to the event industry, we revolutionize it. Thousands trust us to create captivating event experiences. Visualize any space in stunning, dynamic 3D. Offer customers photorealistic 3D virtual tours on your website, or guide them personally through customized 3D event floor plans. Build floor plans quickly with automated layouts, place furniture, add branded media, and choose from a vast rental library of objects. Get instant feedback on your 2D, 3D designs through built-in video conferencing, messaging, and comments. Make changes on the fly to instantly respond to your customers. Prism isn't just a platform, it's your partner in defining spatial design and event experiences.